Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video, where I grab something we have, talk about what it is and what it does. Today we have the RAGE-1200.4 RAGE Series 4-channel amplifier. The B2 Audio RAGE-1200.4-V2, a 1200-watt powerhouse 4-channel high EF Class D amplifier designed to push your sound to the next level. With 1200 watts of raw power, the RAGE-1200.4-V2 ensures an immersive audio experience. Its high EF Class D technology maximizes efficiency while delivering precise sound quality across the full frequency range. Offering versatile RMS power options of 200W(x)4 at 4 ohms and 300W(x)4 at 2 ohms, along with a 600W(x)2 bridge configuration, this amplifier adapts to your audio needs. The advanced circuitry guarantees distortion-free sound, even at high volumes, with a frequency response of 10 Hz to 24 kHz. Built-in protection safeguards against thermal overload, short circuits, and overcurrent, ensuring long-lasting durability. Additionally, customizable sound features include a 12 dBi crossover and high-pass and low-pass filters for fine-tuning your audio experience. With its robust build and focus on efficiency, the RAGE-1200.4-V2 amplifier is perfect for audio enthusiasts ready to take control of their sound system. Now on to the price. The price on this is $479.95. And if you want it, you can get it at bigjiffaudio.com/collections/B2 Audio. As always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.